all the shlokas? No.
Two should be fine. 2 shlokas compulsory because I'm going to tell her, she and I will have a meeting on the 15th. Yeah, I think. She's going to ask me certain things about what should she avoid, and I'm going to tell her that she will ask you the actions for 2 shlokas out of your 5. So just any 2 shlokas you can give. But see, the simple thing about where Krishna was born, this thing, certain things have been taught by Chinmaya, the Balavikas, the Hindu temple, everywhere, that they need to know. Okay?
What if the kids, my kids, she never went to those temples and she doesn't know much about them.
But Krishna ke bare mein sikhai dijiyega. वो सिखाई दीजिएगा because it's a part of our portions. That's it.
How many mudras for the younger ones?
10. 5 to show. But if they show all the 10, they get bonus points.
Okay.
So if she misses out on 1 shloka, she's at least got it there.
Okay. Thank you.
Shlokas are subject 1. Mudras are subject 2. Dance, names, elements of dance, factors of dance is subject 3. Now, 4 is the, what is it? What's the 4th one? I'm missing out something. Can I have your picture?
The folk dance.
Now, who's going to be telling me the next shloka? Somebody from the senior kids. Come on. Me, a guy who remembers everything, remember all this. Shlokas. Definition of folk dance. State or country? State only. But what is the meaning of, what is the definition?
Sit properly, beta.
Stand up, come stand here. Everybody, look at her. Tell me. Per se, within quotes. That is called definition. Meaning, folk dance, dance of a state. Definition. So simple to remember. Every Indian state has its own ways of celebrating, customs, traditions and religions. These can be expressed through folk dances and folklores. Got it? You all have to know. Okay, so now can we go through the questions? Question number 1, all the shlokas of what is dedicated to Guru, Guru Brahma. What is dedicated to Shiva, Angika. What is dedicated to Krishna, Vasudeva. What is dedicated to Ganesha, Mushigavahan. Okay, fine. And we have one more.
And then the morning prayer.
No, we don't need the morning prayer. Rageva Sate, we don't need.
The dance.
Thank you. I was just going to come back. So the question number 1 was related to shloka. So there's one more shloka which is related to dance, but that does not come in this question. It is related to the dance subject. When the subject is shloka, you need to know these. Subject is mudra, you need to know mudras. Subject is dance, you need to know what is the definition of folk dance. What are the elements of dance? What are the factors of dance? And what is the mudra dedicated to dance? Who can tell me? What is the shloka dedicated to dance? Khushbu. You think the kid there can see you? Thank you. That's it, shloka's over? Stop. How do you say a shloka? Exactly. When we know everything, why do you mean? Every now and then I'll walk and say, stop. How do you say? Again I'll walk up. So tell. Yato hasta tato.
You don't know it, beta.
You
don't know that one.
Yato hasta tato. Don't that. Why is she not able to do the action? Because she parroted Yato hasta tato. She parroted like this. So now when I'm telling her to open her eyes and do, she can't. So don't parrot. Learn. Yato hasta tato drishti. Yato drishti tato manaha. Yato Manaha tato bhavam. Yato bhavo tato rasaha. Which means, where my hands go, my eyes follow. I keep on telling you when you dance, look at your hands, look at your hands. Any dance, even in Bharatanatyam, you go tai tai dit dit tai, you follow with your hands. You go tai tai dit dit tai, you follow with your hands. In Kathak, you do any chakradar toda, you follow your hands. Any dance, you look at your hands. Yato hasta tato drishti. Sit down, Kana. Now, yato drishti, I am talking about a flower. My mind understands it's a flower. Manaha. Yato manaha, when it's a flower, my eyes becomes. When it's a snake, my eyes become. When it's thunder, my eyes become. So whatever my expressions are, even if you don't know what the language is, you will think, she's talking about something scary. That is the rasaha, the audience. Audience is our rasaha. Our audience is what we perform for. Okay? Do you all understand? Very simple shloka. You should know it. Next. Coming to... What am I missing? All shlokas coming. Yes? The shloka for the teenagers. Little ones, you all don't have to learn the shloka. It's a little too difficult. But say you learnt it. If you learnt it, then I'm going to tell the examiner to give you bonus points. Okay? This is Shantakaram Bhujagashayana. And I am going to ask the examiner to compulsorily ask each one of you this shloka. Okay? Shantakaram means somebody with a peaceful personality. A peaceful presence. Bhujaga Shayanam. This is Shantakaram. Bhujaga. Snake. Shayanam. Bed. Padmanabham. The ones whose from his navel comes out the creator. Padmanabham Suresham. Vishwadharam. The one who holds the entire universe. Vishwa Adhar. Vishwa means world. Adharam holds it. Gagana Chatrisham. The one who provides the sky as the protector, as an umbrella for the whole world. Gagana Chatrisham. Meghavarnam, the one who is the color of the clouds. Meghavarnam Shubhangam. Looks very nice. Lakshmi Kantam, the one who married Lakshmi. Kamalanayanam, the one who has eyes as the lotus. Yogi Vidya, all the people who meditate, all the yogis, they meditate to your form. Yogi Vidya Yagamyam. Vande Vishnu Bhava Bhaya Haram. The one who takes away all my fears. Sarvaloke, the prevalent, everywhere. Sarvaloke Kanatham. Correct? Now slowly. Shantakaram Jagashayanam Padmanabham Suresham Vishwadharam Gagana Chatrisham Meghavarnam Shubhangam Lakshmi